Hey, a new feature, me. So, I've already started importing part families that were exported from Inventor, the ones that we created the RFA files from. Now, I'm going to give a quick explanation of the steps I'll be covering in this video because I'm going to time compress the rest of it and attempt to keep it as short as possible. There's a lot to cover here. So the first thing is creating two pipe connector families. You're going to need one for the horizontal connections and one for the vertical connections. You need these because you can't place a pipe connector on a nested family. Now I used the sweep command to create these families, and I got a little short quickie in here to show you how to do that. The second is creating some parameters in the base family. That's your base equipment. One group is for the diameters of the nested family POCs, and the second group is for the visibility options. You also need to go into the family category and parameters tab and set the family filter list to mechanical and mechanical equipment. If you don't, your equipment's going to come in your project as a wireframe. Okay, now none of these families are shared, not the base or the nested, and that's important because if you have them shared, when you go to identify the equipment in your project, it's going to list every one of the parts that were nested. So the next is to load the parts into the base family. And once you got them loaded, you want to go to the Properties, Graphics, Visibility, and click on Associate Family Parameter and select from the list of parameters that you created for the base family. So now you're going to load the pipe connectors, the vertical and horizontal, into the base family, and you're going to load them only once, because if you try to load them a second time, it's going to ask you to overwrite what you already got in there, and you don't want to do that. So we use the old AutoCAD axiom. You never draw the same thing twice. You use copy, move, rotate, and mirror, and then align it to the rest of the POCs in your model. All right, so now that we've covered the basic outline of what's going to be in the rest of the video, here it is. One other little thing that I forgot. These disconnect symbols, I could find no way to hide their visibility if the connection wasn't being used. Now, I don't think they're going to make any difference when a continuity check is run. They're just annoying. Just want to make sure you don't try to, connect something to it, because there's going to be nothing there. Okay,